What's up guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. I'm Mallory, and in today's video I'm going to show you something really cool that I'm going to do with a couple of these trays. So today was Monday, and on our Barefoot Microgreens farm, Mondays are harvest day. So I harvested these trays, and I have a couple uses I'm going to do with most of these trays, but we're actually going to talk about these ones specifically. These ones are pea shoots. So I harvested these off. As you can tell, there's quite a bit of stem left. I like to harvest them pretty high on their stem area. A lot of our restaurants don't like really long pea shoot stems. So I cut them up pretty high up the stem there. So we have a lot left here, as you can tell. But with these trays, what I'm going to do is let them grow out a second time. Now I'm not going to use that second growth in my microgreens business to sell to restaurants or my local community. I'm actually going to regrow these and use these for our livestock, for our chickens and our sheep. So this is going to be great because I'm going to get two uses out of this one grow. The first use was obviously for my restaurants and my local community and my health food stores. And then, like I said, I'm going to grow this out, and I'm going to be able to feed my animals with it and give them some nice fresh greens during the winter months. So I'm going to take you along and show you what this is going to look like after it regrows the second time. So if you're interested in what I'm going to do with these other trays that I harvested, I have several here that I harvested today. Another video that gives some ideas on uses for your harvested trays. So make sure you go watch that video. I will link it here. Okay guys, here is my pea shoot trays. I harvested these on Monday and today is Wednesday, and you can see some of them are starting to shoot back up there. There's one tray, and then here's the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these guys some water and get them under the light and just watch them grow. We will check back in and see what they look like in a couple days. It is day 5 after I harvested these 2 pea shoot trays, and I just wanted to show you an update on the regrowth of the pea shoots. So you can see here these shoots that have sprung up pretty tall here. These are shoots that were growing a little bit slower than the other ones when I was first harvesting. So they have really shot up here. I'm probably going to go ahead and harvest these off today and either give them to my boys because it's their favorite variety, or take them out to our chicken Penelope and let her have a nice little healthy snack. I'm going to take you in a little bit closer, and you can see these shorter ones are starting to regrow. And like I said, it is 5 days. I have been watering these daily after we harvested them, and I put them right back into the light, and it's all looking good. You can see the tall shoots there. Like I said, I'm going to harvest those today. I'm going to come in a little bit closer, and you can see the regrowth of the shorter stems. Okay, so I invited Dylan in the video to help me cut these, and so we're just going to do that. So I'm just going to let him cut them. Whoop, hang on. I'm going to grab them first. That didn't work. Okay. Let's here. Let me just hold this tray for you. Whoa. You grab them, you snip them. Okay. A little bit more is hanging on there. There we go. Okay. Just watch my fingers. Right here. Good job. There you go. That's a good one. Now you got the hang of it. It's pretty easy, isn't it? I like to use my knife to harvest when I have a full tray, but when you've got little stragglers like this, it's just as easy to do scissors. So I told them, Dylan, that we would probably use these ones for Penelope to give her a nice little snack, or what's the other option?
We eat it.
Are you going to share with Penelope?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Have these ones right here?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Whoa. You're cutting the grass.
Look how big this leaf is.
That one's crazy. Eat it.
I don't know if you can say that.
That was big, wasn't it?
Bigger than usual.
Okay. Let's grab the other tray.
Yeah.
This one actually doesn't have as much, but we'll snip it off.
Oh.
There you go. They're kind of heavy.
Mom,
Yeah,
I want.
I see that. Like you're giving it a haircut. Okay. Is that good? Okay, well, hang on. We're letting these regrow.
Oh.
Yeah. We're gonna stick that back in the light. And let me grab this other one. There we go. Oh, let me fix this. So basically, out of one of those trays, we got one full cutting, the very first harvest, and then we had some slower growing shoots, and we went ahead and harvested that off today. So that's kind of like a second little small harvest. And then we're gonna continue to water these for the next 5 days and watch them grow back up and possibly get a nice good third harvest off of a tray of pea shoots. Okay, we're going to go give Penelope a little snack and
me.
Dylan a little snack, a little healthy snack. Butter.
Pea, we brought you some pea shoots. Look, what is that, Pea? You don't want to eat while I'm holding you? No? There you go. There you go, Pea. Yeah.
She keeps throwing them. Are those good?
Oh, hi, Ralph.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video and show you what the pea shoots look like on their second grow cycle. And today is actually day 8 after the first harvest. What a difference this has made since we showed you the other day. Look at that. Look at that. That looks pretty awesome for a second growth. So as you can see here on the second tray, I went ahead and harvested it today for some salads. I also wanted to bring them in on the video because they absolutely love pea shoots, so I wanted them to try it and just see if they see any difference between the first grow cycle and the second grow cycle. You can continue to grow this. Like I said, today's day 8, and you could continue to grow this. You could continue to grow this for a few more days if you wanted to. Personally, I like the stems to be shorter. I don't like them as stemmy, so I kind of like them this length, but like I said, you could keep them growing for another few days, and I think they would be fine.
I like them bigger.
Yeah, they do like them bigger and fuller.
It's not as like sweet.
It's not as sweet, you don't think?
No.
Okay. full video to show you that you can get 2 growth cycles out of the pea shoots, and that's pretty amazing. It's like a 2-for-1. And we've got some exciting news for you guys. We've been working on getting these seeds to our online store so we can have them for you guys and grow them for your family and get 2 growths out of them. So it's a 2-for-1 deal, and that's pretty awesome. So your kids will love them, your animals will love them, you will love them. So be sure to stay tuned for our announcement when we roll the pea shoots out on our online store. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And
remember to like and subscribe to our videos and share them.
so leave a comment below and let us know if you are interested in growing pea shoots. Our website at barefootmicrogreens.com, we have a starter grow kit that teaches you exactly how to grow a superfood from home, and soon enough we'll be able to include the pea shoot seeds for purchase so you can grow them for you, your family, your livestock, and your community. Have a great night, and remember to share our videos. See you later, guys.